Hello, it's Neil with Bull Runs. Yeah, I was wanting to go into a little bit about some of the crypto and the market in general. Um, a lot of indicators are indicating that we are looking a little more bullish on cryptocurrency and correlation with the stock market. You're seeing Powell and some of the Feds be more dovish, meaning they're uh, trying to trying to pivot and turn around on the inflation, which will in return start pushing more money into the stock market, which cryptocurrency seemingly seems to be coupled with as of now. um, but with that, I'm looking pretty optimistic about this bottom of this bear market. Today I wanted to talk about Fantom cryptocurrency blockchain. The CEO, Michael Kong, um, it was founded in 2018 out of South Korea in Gangnam-gu, and FTM being their native token. Their market cap has been about 612 million. I believe it's traded up about 26 cents token right now, ranked number 63 through market cap. Uh, Looks like it's 34 million active in the market in a 24-hour period. Fantom uses what they call a DAG, or event of blocks. It then generates a blockchain, a chain of confirmed blocks. Uh, it creates a faster block generation and confirmation, which in return makes for quicker transactions. Fantom offers absolute finity. Transactions can never be reverted. It uses a consensus mechanism, can scale hundreds of nodes, increasing decentralization and security. Users can create and deploy independent networks instead of using Fantom's main consensus layers. So it offers the ability to create protocols and stuff on top of their blockchain for smaller companies without jeopardizing security on their blockchain. Fantom burns 30% tokens that are paid as network fees to help. Some key facts about Fantom. It started up in a bear market. By February 2nd of 2021, it stabilized its holdings to 146 million, almost to 147 million. By February 23rd, Alameda purchased 35 million worth of FTM, which doesn't necessarily correlate with their crypto and their, because Alameda was involved with the FTX meltdown or whatever. But they use some of their funds to buy FTM, which effectively is no problem really. Alameda went under, but as of January 14th, 2022, an undisclosed exchange asked Fantom for 300 million to list. Dirty dogs. It was speculated to be Coinbase, which is funny because now Apple is trying to ban Coinbase's wallet on their iOS store for NFTs because they're trying to charge Coinbase. I guess it's 30% transactions on NFT, which is not. I don't think they understand how the NFT market works. None of that money goes to Coinbase at all. It goes to the fees for transactions for the buying and selling of NFTs. So we'll see how that goes. They're trying to. Yeah, Apple's acting funny these days, huh? Between Twitter and crypto. But as people wonder why it was not listed, and again by the NFT exchange. You can find articles on the transparency and scaling of their business and proving that they're more keen on keeping assets in-house to resist bank runs and bear markets. They started with 3% of their FTM token, naturally bought 14% in reserves to this day. They used the buyback method instead of the selling out for partnerships. Other people sell their tokens 50 to 80%, basically creating a, it basically throws their reserves off in a sense. And this is kind of what FTX was doing. They were completely minting and selling out their their native token to other partnerships and just kind of artificially inflating it through business deals rather than having economic value. And they are still building and increasing their runway for bank runs. So it's a fairly new one, fairly new crypto in a sense. I mean, they've been working on it for years, but the biggest thing is to me they started in a bear market. They're new. They're correctly, in my opinion, doing their reserves the best way, naturally letting the economic value build up rather than just a sell out, sell off value. And yeah, to me, that's why I'm very interested in keeping a good eye on them. And yeah, bull runs. Neil?